All right, going through this question, so let's take a look. The setup is, what if you chose two different prices other than the equilibrium? So what if the price was 40 versus the price being 60? Scrolling back up here, we see that the equilibrium quantity is at $50. So what you're going to want to do is input the price over here of $40. And I'm thinking the discrepancy probably came off of trying to just drag the mouse around on here and just looking off the graph. I'm thinking that's where the discrepancy came from the answer. So here you'll see that, of course, when you're below the equilibrium, the quantity demanded outweighs the quantity supplied. Quantity demanded is 270, quantity supplied is 230, and the difference there is the size of the shortage. So 270 minus 230 gives you a shortage of 40 units. So this would be changed to 40. Here, what if the price was $60? So once again, going back up to the graph and going to the graph and inputting a price of 60, we'll see that now it's the reverse, where the quantity supplied is greater than the quantity demanded, and you end up with a surplus. So quantity supplied is 270, quantity demanded is 230, and the difference is 40 units. And once again, the difference would be 40. I'm guessing the calculation difference came from just trying to look at the graph and pick the points versus using this section here to actually input the price for it. So hopefully that clarifies the correct answer for this question.